Hello,
How are you?
I have been better. What about you?
I'm doing good. My name is Mary.
My name is Brijesh Yadav.
Bidish.
Brijesh,
Bidish. Okay, cool. Where are you from, Bidish?
uh, India.
Wow, that's cool. I'm from America.
Now,
Are you working right now?
no, I am just sitting and I want to practice.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Um, so what do you like to do in India?
In India, I want to be a great English teacher. That's why I am practicing because teaching is, I think, very best profession
Yeah,
in this era because we can save the children future.
yeah, true.
Yeah.
Um, I'm sorry, did you say you want to teach English or teach what?
No, I just want to teach English.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Um, so how long have you been on Cambly?
I have been using Cambly just for a month, but I am getting better here, I feel,
Yeah,
because every day I am practicing
yeah,
and I think I am really learning something new every day.
yeah. That's good. Um, do you want to travel someday?
Of course, it's a common thing that everybody wants to travel,
Hmm.
whether it's in their own country or outside of our country, but yeah, I want to travel. But before going outside of India, I think I need to be fluent in English. If
Yeah,
I go any any native any country like where English is being spoken, so
yeah,
I must be, yeah.
yeah. I understand completely. Um, so do you have any specific questions for English that you want to know?
Yeah, of course, because I know a lot of vocabularies and phrasal words in advanced structure as well. But when it comes to speaking, I can't speak. I don't know why. It seems like I forget all these things.
Okay, okay, cool. I'm gonna look on my computer and see if I can find a lesson for you to test
Yeah,
you. Sound good?
yeah.
Okie dokie. Let me look real quick. What do you want to talk about? You want to talk about food, your job, uh, playing sports, your pets, um, your hometown? What do you want?
Uh, Hometown can be.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. Let's do hometown. Let's see what this is. Okie dokie. Yeah, so we're gonna talk about your hometown. Okay, let's see. Can you read this for me?
Yeah. What do you like about your hometown?
Yeah, what do you like about your hometown?
Yeah, it goes without saying that everybody like their hometown because we are born there and we studies there. So our hometown is not less than heaven for me because whenever you go to your hometown from outside of your state, your hometown,
Yeah,
then yeah, you can spend your good time and quality time in your hometown because in our whole hometown, uh, one side of my village, it's a big pond. Do you understand pond? Like Yeah,
Pond?
pond.
Pond?
Pond.
Pond? Like this?
Yeah,
Yeah, I know a pond.
yeah. And the other side is a canal like river.
Yeah, the canal. That's cool.
Yeah, and the third side is a big jungle,
Oh my goodness.
forest.
Do you like the jungle?
Yeah, of course, because being with nature, it feels very good to me whenever I go to like these places. And
Yeah.
in that place, I like the chirping of birds whenever I listen.
Hmm.
So we can feel fresh air and chirping of birds.
Hmm.
And in the nature, you will be very peaceful there. So I like jungle.
Okay. What kind of animals are in your jungle?
In our jungle, don't a lot of type of animal, just monkey and sometime dog and cat roaming there. But surely there is a lot of type of bird living in their jungle.
Have you have you pet a monkey before?
No, I just see them in that forest, and sometimes they come at my home
Mm-hmm.
and they disturb a lot of things, and they come at my roof. And when I spread and when I put food grains in our roof, then they eat and they dispersed all the food grains on my roof.
Oh, that's cool. That's really.
Yeah,
I want to see a monkey someday.
you didn't see yet.
No, I haven't.
Unfortunately, you didn't see. Otherwise, when I was a kid, that time I used to go to near monkey for throwing a stone at them because I don't know that time I didn't know about much what is sin, what is right, what is wrong.
Yeah.
But that time I was going to play and I was making disturb them when they are sitting on the tree. I throw a stone and run away.
Oh my goodness, you're so bad.
Yeah, but I am saying it was when I was a kid. It was a matter of my childhood because that time I was not aware of this all these things. That's why.
That's cool. That's some good memories, though. That's really
Yeah,
nice. Yeah.
absolutely.
Oh
And
yes.
in this time, if a monkey uh, disturb our crops,
Say
you
what?
know, crop,
Crop?
crop.
Like like a garden? Like crops? Like garden?
Not a garden. In our field, we cultivate call crop.
Crops.
Uh,
Like
you
like what?
know, we cultivate food grains like rice, wheat.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Like a huge garden, crops like rice, corn,
Yeah,
beans. Yeah?
man. Yeah.
Okay.
So a herd of monkey goes to our field and they deteriorate all our crop. So
Oh, that's so bad.
yeah, so people use firecrackers,
They put what?
firecrackers.
What is that? What is that?
Uh, so firecrackers is a small called pataka. It's a little bit explosive.
Okay.
You know, Diwali.
No.
Diwali is the most famous festival of India. So
Mm,
on the occasion of Diwali, people uh, brings a lot of firecrackers and they explode them. And having seen this, children feels laughing and they enjoying it.
okay, that's good. As long as they enjoy it.
So you never visited outside of your country?
I've traveled to Egypt.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
That was
in
pretty
Egypt,
cool.
there is a pyramid.
They have, yeah, the pyramids. Yeah, I've been there. It's really cool. They're so big. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I saw sometime on the movies.
Yeah. Hopefully someday you can travel to Egypt and see them.
Yeah, maybe. I hope so.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. I like them a lot.
So which animal did you see till now
Where?
in your hometown?
Um, oh, we have a lot of animals in my hometown. We have the alligator, you know. We have snakes.
Yeah,
Um,
I,
we have the mountain lion, kind of like a huge cat, but it's a really big cat. It's not like a tiger or a lion. It's just called like a cougar. We have a bunch of wild cats there. We have the bear.
yeah, I know. So in your home, there is any pet animal?
Did I have any animals?
Any pet animal in your house right now?
No, not right now. But when I was a kid, when I was a child, I had dogs, I had cats, I had rabbits, um, goats, horses. Um, what else? Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, and in my hometown, we can see a lot of animals, and as well as we see a lot of snake there.
Mhm.
Yeah, because once upon a time when I was living in my home, that I saw a snake on my roof, and once I saw outside of my house, and they are very dangerous snake. When I saw, my all villagers came suddenly for killing them, and unfortunately they
So you
killed them
killed
because yeah, they beat them by stick, and they killed
them?
snake
Yeah.
because it is very dangerous for people. That's why.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, they're pretty scary. They get really big, right? Like this big.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's too big.
Yeah, and in our hometown, we can see a lots of things like this, like scorpion, snake. They both are very dangerous because they kill man. They can kill man very
Oh my
easily.
gosh, that's scary.
Yeah, because in our hometown there is much forest, pond. That's why they are living there very easily. And sometimes they come at our home, and sometimes they come at our village. So we see, and people mostly kill like this things, like this dangerous thing.
Yeah, I understand. Well, Videsh, our time is almost up. Um,
Yeah,
I want to say I enjoyed talking to you, and it's very nice to meet you.
yeah, same here. I really enjoyed talking to you.
I wish you the best of luck on your English.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. You have a good day.
Bye.
All right. Bye bye.